Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to evaluate eBay product descriptions. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then search for the product you're interested in and tap on it to view the product details. So scroll down until you see this section item description and open full description. So here you need to look carefully at the product title, model number, color, size if it's for the clothing items, and condition, especially if it's marked as new, used, or for example refurbished. Check if the seller mentions any damage, missing parts, or signs of wear, again if it's for clothing. If it says, if this description says see photos for details, make sure to zoom in on all the product images. If it's a tag item or collectible, look for specs, version numbers, or any authenticity information. Pay attention to what is not set. So if the key details are missing, for example, battery life, or for example, if it's clothing, what fabric is, from which fabric this clothing is made, that could be, of course, a red flag, because this is basically the key information about the item. And you can scroll further to see item specifics. Okay, so item specifics is basically the section about this item, and here you see all the specifics. Yes, so here will be all the information about the brand, model, and all the features about this item. And if anything is unclear, you can contact seller to ask a question before you buy. So you can do it this way. So here you see this message icon, and here you can ask your question. That's basically how you can evaluate eBay product descriptions. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.